Meaning of harbinger.
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 Harbinger. Harbinger refers to something or someone that signals the approach of another person or event, typically a negative or difficult one. It is often used in the context of predicting future events. For example, the sudden drop in the stock market could be seen as a harbinger of an economic recession. In literature, a character may be seen as a harbinger of doom if they foreshadow a tragic event. Ultimately, a harbinger is a warning or indication of something to come, and it's important to pay attention to these signals in order to prepare for what may lie ahead.